everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are having a great day. I've got a few things here to unbox. I've got my new Bolzano bag and my BoxyCharm. But first things first, we're going to get into my Bolzano bag. And got my, I talk about it every time, but it's my little frog notebook from the dollar spot at Target. I do hope y'all are having a great day. I did take a little hiatus yet again from filming due to some negative comments on my channel. It just got a little bit down with those comments. I don't understand why people have to be hurtful or negative to other people's creativity, but I talked to some people, got some encouragement, and here we are. So I got my information here regarding my Bolzano handbag, purse, subscription, whatever you want to call it, pocketbook. That's what my grandma would call them, pocketbooks. But I get the purse, accessories, and the purse companion. All that together is $43.95. The purse companion was an additional $10. I will link their website down below. They have all kinds of different types of subscriptions where you can just get the purse pocketbook by itself, the purse with just the accessories, or you can get everything. So the link down below is not an affiliate link. I get nothing from it. It's just a link to their website, so go check them out. And I do believe sometimes during the year they allow you to get 3 months as a gift. My sinuses have been going. Sorry. So as a gift subscription to give to someone else. As you can see, my Bolzano bag always comes. I hope I didn't cut the duster bag. There we go. Comes in the regular mail. It comes in a padded envelope like this. And what I like about this subscription is it comes in a nice duster bag. I moved my camera so that I could get everything in the thing there. And there's my little tag that says you deserve to be spoiled. Yes, you do. So let's open her up and see what we got. So with the accessories, with this subscription, they send you, they sent me an email, and I told them everything and anything about purses, what I like, what I don't like, size, shape, color. Same with the accessories. I told them that either you like gold, silver, white gold, well, I think it was rose gold. But anyway, let's see. Ooh, this is a nice bag. It's a little bit big for my takings. Oh, it's got one of those little, anyway, this is a really nice bag. It's got the little feet on the bottom. It is a tad bit big for a normal purse for me, but it is a decent size. And like I said, I do like this subscription. Their leather is vegan leather, so no cruelty to animals. Throw that on the floor. I do like this. I do like the gold. It always comes with this little, like, Bolzano clip here. You can remove it if you don't want it on there. I like it on there. It gives it a little extra oomph. So, where's all my, oh, they're already, normally all the goodies are inside the purse. That's why when it's so flat like this, all the goodies are in the bag here. So, I do like this. I do like the fact that it's got a nice zipper here, and here's the strap so you can wear it over your arm. I mean, it does, the little strap is a little short, but you can wear it over the shoulder. Let's see what we got inside. Inside, it looks like the other bag I have from them. It's got this 2 nice pockets, if you can't see. 2 nice pockets here in the back, and they've got a little zipper compartment right here. A nice zipper compartment right here. Oh, I think I just shut it. There's a nice deep pocket right here. The inside is really good. And there is a zipper here on the outside where I could put my cell phone, a pen, anything that you can think of like that. But I do like this. This is a really nice color. This is a nice kind of, it looks kind of purplish gray. So it's a really nice color. I can just clip this, cut this off, and it'll be great. So I think this is a pretty good bag. It's a little big for me, but you know what? I carry a lot of stuff with me. For some reason, it seems like more and more stuff has been getting into my purse. So here we go. Signed up for companions. Next month, you're in for a treat. Upgrade today and don't miss out. Well, I already get the companions. So, right here are the questions on the back. If you want a different color or style, say I don't like this style, you can always exchange your bag for a different color or style. If the bag sent was not one within your selected preferences, like I said, they send you, you choose all kinds of stuff and you tell them the preferences that you like small bags, you like big bags, you like tote bags, you like crossbody bags, you tell them whatever. If it was within your preference, if it's not within, let me start over. If the bag sent was not one within your selected preferences, the exchange is complimentary. So it means it is free. They will exchange this for free if I don't like this color, or if this size is not something that I like, they will exchange it for free and get me another bag. But if it is within your preferences and you still would like an exchange, you just pay for the shipping. I guess the shipping just ship it back to them probably. Maybe. I don't know how that works. But I haven't exchanged any of their bags. I love their bags. How can I tweak my style for next month? I would like different attributes in the product sent. You can access your style profile by visiting bolzanohandbags.com. Go to my account located in the footer. Click on the link, Update Style Questionnaire. So there you go. You can always update if you're getting bags where you want a different style. Say next month I'm going to be traveling. Next month is Christmas time. Maybe you're going to be going to visit family and you want a smaller bag or a bigger bag to hold more things. You can go in there and tell them in your profile what you want or don't want. So here, congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month we've chosen our Leticia specially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $178. So I think that's pretty good. Leticia is part of our new fall collection. It comes in pewter, almond, and royal blue. So this must be what they're calling pewter. What they love about the bag, it has sturdy handles, convenient long strap, zipper back pocket, purse feet. I do like the fact that it's got these feet so that when you sit it on the floor, it's not sitting on the dirty floor. And it has inside pockets, topper, anyway, and a buckle strap. So there you go. They do tell you a little bit about the bag that you get each month. So let's dig into my goodies. So what do we got going on here? I've got this little thing here that looks like it's separating because there's this stuff down at the bottom. Let's see if I can push it. I don't know. This might just go in the trash. It looks like it's separating. Either that or it's the yellow on the plastic that's making it look funny. But this is by Dawn Mist. It's a moisturizing hand and body lotion. Has vitamin E and aloe and lightly scented. Can you see this? I think the yellow is in the plastic, I'm hoping, but I'm gonna set that down. Not a big fan of that, but here's my accessories. Got a nice little thing here. So Go for it, girl card. Carry this card as a reminder of everything you are capable of, all of the things you can do to make a difference in your own life and in that of others. Bolzano is making a difference during Down Syndrome Awareness Month by donating to the Down Syndrome Foundation. For more information, okay. So here's that Go For It Girl. It's just a little card holder. It does have a nice little pocket here. Maybe for my own business cards or for other people's business cards or a credit card holder or whatever in your purse. And then this here is my accessories. I do have to say they do package everything really nice. They put them in these nice little, oh look, I got a ring. I hope it fits. And that's also what I like about their jewelry. Everything is like pretty much one size fits all kind of a thing. It's a bit big for that finger. So here's what it looks like. It's got these little balls right here. I do see a necklace here, so it probably matches this. So let's see. I can't get it to smush smaller, so I'm going to be stuck with it this big. It's not my style, but we'll see. But I do have a necklace here. This looks really pretty, if you can see it from that far away. Let me pull it out of this bag. Ooh, this is really pretty. Here's this necklace. Looks like that. Let's pull it out of here. It's a three-string necklace. See if I can get it out. Here's what it looks like. Put it on. Okay, I can't get it on. I do have the clasp down. It's times like this that I wish I had a man around that could assist me with putting on my jewelry and whatnot. But, anyway, I can't even get it on. It's almost like I need to go to a jeweler and get them to get me an extension for this, because I can't even here in front. There we go. It is pretty. I like it. Oh, my hair is in the way. But there's what it looks like. If you can see it there, ignore. It looks nice, but I wish I could get it on by myself. I'm having issues and problems with it. Oh, there we go. I got it. Oh. There we go. You can't see it, but there's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we'll wear it for a little while and see how I feel. It's pretty nice. I don't think I'm wearing, pull my shirt up. I don't think I'm wearing the right shirt to be wearing with it. I need something that comes up a little higher. But there's what it looks like. It's really nice. And then I also have my accessories. Alright, what do we got here? I got more silicone socks, which I've gotten already. So if my sister wants these, she can have them. I've already got the silicone socks, so I don't really need those. And then I've also got, what is this? Fashion charm of your choice for a symbol of beauty, winter essential to share warm and charm. Beautiful people are no longer frozen. Doesn't make any sense. What are these? Slippers? I don't know, they're stuck. Oh, there we go. It looks like some lace socks or something, or slippers maybe. Some lace slippers. I got black pair. I've got like a beigey kind and a pink. I can't even see them. Then a pink kind over here. Oh, and they do have the little feet on them. I think they're slippers. They're weird looking slippers or something. I don't know. So, there's what I got as far as my accessories. So I got more silicone socks, which if my sister would like them, she's more willing to take them, she can have them. A ring that doesn't really, it's too big, and I can't get it to, I don't want to break it, but it's too big for me. But I do like this necklace, it's really nice. And the bag that I got is perfect. So, I think this month, the bag is good. The accessories, on the other hand, I don't know. I feel like I'm missing something in this bag, because I feel like all I got was the accessories, not the purse companion. So we'll see. Maybe I need to contact them and see about this month, because this and the ring, maybe those are the accessories and that this is the purse companion. I thought the purse companion was supposed to be 2 to 3 fragrances and or cosmetic items. I don't know. I'm gonna have to contact them and find out, because they did charge me the full $43.95. So I feel like something's missing. Like I said, something's missing from here. It feels like something is missing. Maybe nothing is missing. It just feels that way. Oh yeah, I got these too. The little cosmetic thing and whatever, this hand lotion. So I feel it's a pretty good, decent amount for the money, but we'll see. I need to contact them and see if it doesn't feel like it normally does. I feel like there's normally more stuff than this, but maybe this is it. But it's still a good subscription. I get a new handbag every month, and I do hope y'all are having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.